So guys, may na-receive akong card galing kay jowa ko, galing kay Ted for the Mother's Day. So, I'm gonna open it. I hope there's a money inside. Only card. So, it's cute, no? And there's a crown. Oh, look. Charot. Okay. So, let's open it. I hope there's money. Wow. Nag-effort talaga siya. Bumili talaga siya ng card for Mother's Day. And it is pink. Oh. Sana may pera, no? Kung wala, okay lang din. Ang kulit ng mata ko. Look. Ang kulit ng color ng eyes ko. Wow. How about other one? Oh, char. Ito, nakakatakot yung kulay. Oh. Oh, there's no money, guys. Love you always, Char. Look. That's the card. Love you always. Sayang walang pera. Pero thankful pa rin kahit walang pera, di ba? So, here it is. Oh, ta-dan! So, babasahin ko. I may not tell you often enough, but your love is a gift in my life that I'm thankful for every single day. Oh, ang sweet naman. You're my partner in everything, the one who makes life good. I hope you know on Mother's Day and every day how much I appreciate you, how much I love you. How much I love you daw. Ano ba yun? From Ted, Dion, and Michael. Charot. Ka-char-char, badayan ay. Love you always. Thank you, Daddy Ted. Ay, ang sweet naman. May pa-card pa si Mayor. Mayor talaga. Ang kulit ng mata ko, my son. Oh, naging brown. Oh. And then I'm gonna put it back. Paano ba to? Ganito na lang. Kasi yung ribbon may ipit eh. May ribbon to siya. Ayan. Cute. Guys, yung hair ko pala, nagpa-reband ako. Sa friend ko. It's a free. Ano lang daw niya, gift daw niya sa akin. Diba? Ganda no ng hair. Rebonded from Joyce. Thank you, Joyce, for my hair. I like it. Nagmukha na akong tao sa aking straight hair. Nice, no? Feel na feel ko ang gaan ng feeling. Charot.
A few moments later.
Tapos na ako mamili. Dito ko na lang ilagay yan. Diyan. Hindi ko na lang siya ilalagay sa trunk. Konti lang naman eh. Diyan ka. Yan lang binili ko, mostly sa mga bata lang yan, ha? So yan, tapos na siya. Uwi na tayo. He bought a Mother's Day gift for me, a bird feeder. This one, like nice. Ooh. And then if there's a squirrel, it's gonna, you know, it's hard. I cannot show you like this, so how? I have only one hand, so I'm gonna put the camera down. So this one, and then if there is a squirrel, just like when the squirrel goes, the squirrel is so heavy, so it's gonna go down, and then it covers every hole like that. See this? When the squirrel step on it, it's gonna go down, and then this one going out. This one's going up, and this one is going down. It's gonna cover the holes for the bird. Look, and it is rubber. I'm so excited for the birds to see while they are eating. Like that. Ta-da! Ta-da! So it's a squirrel proof. I hope it's gonna work. So, and then while we are gonna hang this, it needs 18 inches away from the branch, or away from the tree. I mean 18 inches away from the tree, so the squirrel cannot climb or cannot, jump in. So it's a squirrel proof. I hope it's gonna work because the squirrels are so smart. Ta-da! Ta-da! So excited to put a lot of seeds in there for the squirrels. I'm gonna put the seeds. Oops. How to open? Here's how to open. Twist it. Twist it like that. Oh, there you go. And then this one. Wow, seeds! Wow, seeds! Wow, and here's the seeds. Woo! It's a cardinal. Seeds for the birds. Cardinal. That's cardinal bird. Okay. I'm gonna put seeds in there. I don't have a scissors. Yeah, that's not enough. Oh my goodness. Sorry. The cardinal, and everyone gonna love this. And I'm gonna fill up some more. So heavy. Oh my gosh. I need an exercise. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's so full. OMG, I filled it super far. It's super full. I don't know if it's gonna close. So here I'm gonna show you what I did. This one, here's the seeds. I filled it super duper. Look at that. Wow, the bird's gonna love it. Wow. Yummy, delicious. That's so delicious. And they are gonna eat in there. And they get some more food. They're gonna stand here and then eat the seeds over there. Wow, how many holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I don't know how many. Yeah, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. Yes, that's right. And then close it. Close it. And we're done filling. It is so full and it's so heavy. It's so heavy, guys, because it's so full. Yeah. Ta-da! All done. And he's gonna try to hang it in there. Ta-da! Look at that. Farther? Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
It might work.
Oh, that's it.
Maybe if I put an extension on it.
Yeah, there you go.
If it don't, we'll have to extend it about another 6 inches or so. We'll see if it works.
Yeah, hope so. Babe, you need, you filled it already. Yeah, we have another bird feeder over there. That's a second one. Babe, that's second one. Second, because the first one is gone. So that's new. All right.